meantime, it's time to update everyone on the weather tomorrow, and apparently it will be a slushy day. Matt Wintz has your forecast. Hey, Matt.
Hey, thanks a lot, Andrew Dorsina. Yeah, we've had some ice around the area today. We had sleet, we had freezing rain, some snow mixing in. Things have quieted down, though, here this evening, as expected, and we're going to remain quiet overnight tonight. You can see not much going on the radar, although hidden from that radar is a little bit of freezing drizzle in spots out there, so be wary of that. And visibilities have come down here over the last few hours. You can see we've got a 2-mile visibility in Worcester, 3 in Mansfield. It's been around 2 downtown, that extending over in Lorain and Medina counties as well. So it's a little foggy outside, and with temperatures in the 20s, that fog is what we call freezing fog. It's not going to be a big deal as we go into tomorrow morning, but there are going to be some slick spots for those untreated surfaces, so keep that in mind. Temperatures have been below freezing most of the day for most of the area. The warmest spots have been down towards Carrollton, over towards Dover, New Philly. We've got a cold front well off to the south and east, so this cold air is kind of hanging out here, and we've got the warmer air over towards Pennsylvania and West Virginia. As you can see, Charleston, West Virginia right now still at 55 degrees, whereas we've got Chicago at 20. So there is a dividing line between these two air masses, and that dividing line is that focus for a lot of this lift, aka precipitation. So we've got one more wave to deal with tomorrow. Pretty decent moisture with this one. The wave of low pressure, though, still back off to the west, and this is heading northeast. And as we throw this moisture into our freezing temperatures or even below, that equals some freezing rain. There's a little area of warm air aloft, so that snow falls, but then it melts and it doesn't have time to refreeze, so we have rain on the frozen ground. So a little bit of a wintry mix as we go into tomorrow. Let's time it out hour by hour. You can see tomorrow morning as you're off to church services, out and about running errands, we're looking okay. Still some patchy freezing drizzle around, but temperatures right around 30. In fact, starting to warm above freezing down to the south. As this wave comes in, we get a little push of warmer air. In fact, I think we might hit 40 in Dover, New Philly tomorrow. We'll still be below freezing north of the I-71 corridor. So that means, yeah, as this moisture comes in, we are going to have a wintry mix overspreading the area, I think around midday and lasting through late afternoon as it looks right now. This system is finally gone. After tomorrow night, we get a little round of snow on the back edge of that, and then we start to clear things out. This will be so nice to see on Monday. We'll have sunshine returning. It will be on the chilly side, but it'll be great to see that sun back. How much snow accumulates? Not a whole lot. In fact, we may have less than a half an inch where that snow moves through tomorrow night, and a little bit of ice. So keep in mind that we are going to have some slick spots out there, but overall the snow accumulation is not going to be impressive at all. Beyond that, look at the temperature trend this week. 30 on Monday. That's our cold spot. Whoa, there we go, 55 by Thursday. That is going to feel so nice. We get a nice push of some warmer air, and here's where we go midweek, and then back to reality next week. Let's put it all together for you in Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Times a wintry mix tomorrow. A lot of cloudy periods in between. We'll do 35 before dropping later. Monday, we bring back that sunshine. That sunshine lasts Tuesday on into Wednesday as well, and then we'll bring those clouds back on into Thursday with some showers. That's really our next chance of precipitation on Thursday.